Kia Automobile Repairs. If you're looking for help fixing your Kia automobile, look no further. Our comprehensive Kia Automobile Repair Guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and maybe show you how to repair your vehicle. Kia manufactures cars that owners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy autos require occasional maintenance or repair. However, if you're in need of Kia auto repair from experienced professionals, your local auto helper can help. Dead starter. A dead starter means your car won't be able to start. It's usually one of two things: your starter has failed, or your battery is dead. You turn the key in the ignition, and it just doesn't start. All you hear is a click. Starters have a solenoid in the column, or the starter relay. It allows an electric current to go from the starter motor in response to a small control current, setting the engine in motion. Whenever possible, do periodic checks on the main components of your starter motor to see if anything needs fixing or replacing. A dead starter can easily issue with the spark plug, or that the starter relay requires some adjustment. Dead battery. This is another reason why your car might not be starting. A dead battery happens when something drains the power out of it, or if your car battery is old. Car batteries are normally made to last no more than a few years, usually between 3 to 5 years. In some instances, it's all a matter of faulty connectors, in which case, just hook them back up and you should be good to go. The best way to prevent being surprised by a dead battery is to mark it with the date you purchased it and get a new one before it expires. Alternator problems. The alternator keeps your battery in check and keeps it charged. If you have problems with your alternator, your car won't be able to start or break down in the middle of the road. Signs of a failing alternator includes constant battery problem, unusual rattling from the engine, and electrical failure. The age might be one reason why your alternator is giving you problems. So keep track of how old is your alternator and have it replaced if it's been in service for years. The signs above are what you need to look out for should you need to replace your alternator. Spark plugs. Spark plugs have a shelf life. Wear and tear will eventually lead to these failures, and at certain inopportune moments, a failed spark plug can cause your car to run at lower speeds and consume more fuel in the process. Tune-ups every 6 months and spark plug replacements every 5 to 10 months, or as they wear down. Whichever comes first will go a long way to preventing long-term damage to the electronics in your car. Radiator leaks. If your air conditioning starts failing, and your car is leaving a trail of coolant on the street and driveway, then you have a radiator leak. A faulty radiator can mean that your engine will overheat and leave you stranded at the worst possible time. Just check all the connectors of your car to make sure that they're in place. Replace immediately if there's damage. Work out a coolant maintenance schedule by regularly flushing out coolant and replacing it. Oil leaks. A telltale sign that your oil is leaking would be dark stains on your driveway. It starts off small, but then it gets uncontrollable. Your oil filter might not be working well, or a plug is missing or misaligned. Oil leaks are easily remedied if you maintain or tune up your car regularly, and change your oil filter at regular intervals. To check for oil leaks, wash the engine bay. You can also find out if any other fluids are leaking from your car this way. Flat tires. Flat tires happen when sharp objects puncture your tire, or your tires are tired from all the wear and tear of being driven over various terrains. They can also happen when tires lose air pressure due to continued use. To prevent flat tires, careful driving is always an idea. You also have to regularly check your tire's air pressure, so it's not over or under inflated, which can cause too much friction on your tires and rip its treads.